Hi, Jenny here. When a fresh batch of cookies is made, who doesn't love grabbing a couple of them for breakfast? Not just me, right? Anyways, today we will make some cookies made just for that purpose. They are breakfast cookies. Let's get started. For this recipe, we need kind of a lot of ingredients. We're going to need 1 cup of some type of nuts, pecans, walnuts, almonds, 1.5 cups of oats, 1/3 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of flax meal, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 cup of some type of nut butter, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1/4 cup of honey, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 eggs, teaspoon of vanilla, 1/2 cup of dried fruit, cranberries, raisins, cherries, whatever you'd like, and 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. Alright, I'm changing it up here. I didn't have enough pecans, but I do have some walnuts, so I'm going to use those instead. Okay, we're going to put our nuts into a bowl and we're going to combine those with our oats, flour, flaxseed, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. We will now mix together our brown sugar and eggs, and then we're going to add our vanilla, oil, honey, and peanut butter. We'll add our dry ingredients now. We'll now fold in our 1/2 cup of chocolate chips and 1/2 cup of cranberries. Alright, I'm going to use my handy dandy little scooper. You can buy these in whatever regular stores and all that. They have smaller ones and larger ones. So I'm going to use the small one and scoop out some of the cookies. Got the oven preheating at 375 degrees. And you can also use teaspoons, tablespoons, whatever, regular spoons if you want to. This is such kind of a wet formula that I figured it should stick together well. Easy in the scooper, so we're just going to try it that way today. All right, into the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. Oh yeah, brown on the outside. They didn't spread out as much as I thought they would. After your cookies have cooled on the baking sheet for a couple minutes, then we just want to take them off and move them to a cooling rack to finish cooling. All right, the breakfast cookies are ready. Although it's lunchtime, but well, it works for me. Plus, obviously, I will have some left over for tomorrow's breakfast. So, I will leave the recipe for this down in the description below. The cookies didn't spread out as much as I thought they would. I thought they spread out at least a little bit. The picture kind of looked that way. So just know that when you bake these, when you put the dough onto the cookie sheet, to make sure that all your ingredients are all tucked together, all nice and together. Sometimes when I've made cookies, I leave a little bit of the dough to the side. If it falls over there, type of whatever, I let it go because I know the cookie's going to spread out and it'll incorporate that. But other than that, I'm sure it'll be tasty. I'm going to enjoy my snack. You guys, keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye. So good.